Hello everyone, in this video we're going to make these beautiful rose flowers using crepe paper. You can take a tissue paper in place of this paper. So let's get started. First we're going to hold the paper from the corner, make 2-3 folds and we're going to roll it like this. After this you can flip it like we're doing here in this video. Now look carefully, we are going to twist the paper like this, make 2-3 folds and roll it over and over again. So you have to hold it very tightly and twist it like this. We are going to make this beautiful pattern and roll it at the same time, and look, you will get this beautiful rose flower. These are perfect for making rose bouquets or for home decoration, so you can try this at home. Look, it's ready. Finally you can tie it from the bottom part using a thread or rubber band. We all love roses, so let's make one of them. We are making rose bouquets here, so you can also give it a try at home. First we are going to make these roses and dab these sticks at the center part. You can also color them like we are doing this beautiful red color on the rose. Now we are going to dab all of them inside the sponge of the bouquet like this. We are also pasting these white balls on the top of it using hot glue gun, and look, it is ready. Look at these beautiful colors. You can try and make all these flowers at home. Look at these blue, pink and purple color of rose flowers. We are going to make this beautiful rose bouquet and flowers. So we are going to make the bouquet first. We are going to add 3 to 4 layers for the cover for the bouquet. After doing this, take another piece of paper. We are also going to fold this crepe paper. We are adding patterns on the top of it. So paste it using double-sided tape like this, and look, it's ready. After doing this, we are going to roll it and make a bouquet shape like this. And look at these beautiful roses. After doing this, we are going to dab all the roses inside the sponge of the bouquet like this. Dab all of them one after another, and look, it's ready. You can also tie a ribbon at the center part like this, and look, your beautiful pink rose bouquet is ready. How pretty this is looking. Perfect for gifting to your loved ones. Look at this beautiful heart-shaped rose flowers. Let's make it. For that we are going to make the box first. So take the sheet. After this we are going to paste all these rose flowers on the top of it in heart shape. So paste them using hot glue gun. You can make these rose flowers using tissue paper or crepe paper, and we are going to cover the center part as well. Paste all the flowers one after another, and look, the heart shape is ready. After doing this, we are also going to fill the center part. You can decrease the size of the rose like this and fill the center holes. We can also color it like we are doing this beautiful pink shade on the top of it. Add fairy light on the back side. Decorate it further using pearls. Add a ribbon, and look how pretty this is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.